Good morning everyone. Today we'll start from Mathematics class 7th R.D. Sharma. Topic Division of fraction. See here on page number 2.21. In that first topic is reciprocal of a fraction. So let us understand with a example. Here we have example 1 upon 7. Now how to write this reciprocal? Directly we can write here reciprocal of 1 upon 7 is 7 upon 1, or you can write 7 only. Another example I will take if it is 3 upon 4. So how to write reciprocal of 3 upon 4 is 4 upon 3. Understood the reciprocal? Now we will see division of fraction. Now if you had given that A upon B divided by C upon D. So first how we have to write? A upon B. This divide we have to convert into multiplication and C by D reciprocal. So what will came? D upon C. Let us see with an example. If you had given 1 upon 3 divided by 4 upon 3. Okay. So how we can write it? Equal to A upon B as it is. So 1 upon 3 as it is. In this division convert into multiplication and 4 upon 3 reciprocal of 4 upon 3 is 3 upon 4. Okay. 3 cancel. So answer is 1 upon 4. Understood? Now let us start exercise number 2.3 on page number 2.24. In first question, find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction and classify them as proper, improper and whole number. We have to just find it is improper, proper and whole number and do the reciprocal. Exercise number 2.3, question number 1, first one, 3 upon 7. So reciprocal of 3 upon 7 is reciprocal of 3 upon 7 is 7 upon 3. If the 7 upon 3 is improper, proper or a whole number, 7 upon 3 equal to improper, right? Improper it is. So we have to indicate. We'll do third one now. Question is 9 upon 7. Reciprocal of 9 upon 7 is 7 upon 9, and 7 upon 9 is proper, improper or whole number? It is proper. Okay. Now we'll see fifth one, 12 upon 7. So 12 upon 7, reciprocal of 12 upon 7 is 7 upon 12, and 7 upon 12 is proper number. Now we'll see question number 2. See question number 2, divide. First one, 3 upon 8 by 5 upon 9. Here by means divide we have to write. Let us write it down. 3 upon 8 by 5 upon 9. How first we have to write 3 upon 8 divided by 5 upon 9. After that what we have to do? Division convert into multiplication. This we have to write reciprocal, which is 9 upon 5. Again 3 9 is 27 and 8 5 is 40. Now we can do cancellation or not? No. So this is your answer, 27 upon 40. Now see the third one. Your question is 7 upon 8 by 4 1 upon 2. First we have to convert this into improper fraction. So just let us write it down. 7 upon 8 divided by, convert this 4 to 8, 8 plus 1 is 9 upon 2. So same step, 7 upon 8 multiply by 2 upon 9. Again we can cancel or not? Yes. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. Another thing? No. So 7 upon 4 into 9 is 36. So this is your answer. Now we'll see question number 3, that is also divided. Same question is that they are 3 upon 8 by 4. How we have to write? First of all, in the division form, a simple 4 means 4 upon 1. So equal to 3 upon 8 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Reciprocal, right? Now again we can cancel or not? No. So let us multiply. 3 ones are 3 and 8 fours are is 32. Okay, 3 upon 32 is your answer. Now we'll see third one, 9 by 3 upon 16. So how we can write it? 9 divided by 3 upon 16. So equal to 9, nothing is there in denominator. So 1 multiply 16 upon 3. Okay, reciprocal. So now we'll cancel it. 3 ones are 3, 3s are 9. Now 16 into 3 equal to 48. Now we'll see question number 4, simplify. Okay, question number 4, simplify. First one, 3 upon 10 divided by 10 upon 3. Same thing, directly we had given. So question number 4, first one, question is 3 upon 10 divided by 10 upon 3. So we'll write 3 upon 10 multiply by reciprocal. 10 upon 3 is 3 upon 10. Okay, now we'll just multiply it. So 3 3s are 9 upon 10 10s are 100. Okay, if it can cancel, you have to cancel it, but we can't cancel over here. Now we'll see third one. 5 4 upon 7 divided by 1 3 upon 10. So first this we have to convert into mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 4 is 39 upon 7. Multiplication. Sorry, first we have to write divide only. Divide. 10 ones are 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So 13 upon 10. Now you have to change into multiplication, then reciprocal 10 upon 13. If you can cancel, you can cancel it. 13 ones are and 13 threes are. So 3 tens are is 30 upon 7. Okay. So this we have given in mixed fraction. So improper fraction convert it to mixed fraction. So what we have? 4 2 upon 7. 4 7s are 28 plus 2 is 30. 30 upon 7. Okay. Now we'll see question number 5. See the question number 5. What we had given, that a wire of a length 12 1 upon 2 meter is cut into 10 pieces of equal length. Find the length of each piece. Now we had given total length of wire, total pieces, and we have to find length of each piece, means one piece of length. Now see question number 5. what we had given, just write it down first, that total length is equal to 12 1 upon 2 meter. So convert into mixed fraction. So 12 into 2 is 24 plus 1 is 25 upon 2 meter. Now you had given that 10 pieces. Okay, total length is 25 upon 2 meter. For 10 pieces it is 25 upon 2 meter. Okay, so for one piece of wire, how much? Cross multiplication, right? So 1 into 25 upon 2. Okay, then this we have to divided by 10. Okay, understood? Now 1 into 25 upon 2 is the same, 25 upon 2 divided by 10 upon 1, nothing is there. That means now 25 upon 2 multiply, we have to change it, divide into 1 upon 10. Reciprocal of 10 is 1 upon 10. Okay, now we can cancel it. 5 2s are and 5 5s are. So answer is 5 upon 4 meter. What is our answer? Length of one piece is 5 upon 4 meter. Understood? If you want to convert this, you can convert it. 5 upon 4 is equal to 141 meter. Right? 4 ones are 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 upon 4 meter. Now see this sixth one. The length of a rectangular plot of area 65 1 upon 3 meter square is 12 1 upon 4 meter. What is the width of the plot? Now here you had given the area, which is 65 1 upon 3 meter square. Area of rectangular plot is 65 1 upon 3 meter square. And you had given the length of rectangular plot also, which is 12 1 upon 4 meter. We have to find width. Width means breadth. Now here the formula of area of rectangular plot is L into B, right? So L is given, we have to find B. Just see here, question number 6. This is rectangular plot. You have given length, which is 12 1 upon 4 meter. We have to find width, which is question mark. Okay, area you had given, that is 65 1 upon 3 meter square. We have to find. We know that area of rectangular plot equal to L into B. What we have just now? Area, which is 65 1 upon 3 meter square. Convert it to improper. So 65 into 3 is 195 plus 1 is 196 upon 3 meter square. And we also have the length. So equal to, what is the length? 12 1 upon 4 meter. So convert it. 12 into 4 is 48. 48 plus 1 is 49 upon 4 meter. Okay, we'll keep this value in this formula. So area is 196 upon 3 equal to L is 49 upon 4 and breadth width we have to find. So as it is. Now this multiplication goes over here, it will convert into division. So 196 upon 3 divided by 49 upon 4 equal to B. Okay, now again what we have to do? 196 into 3 convert into multiplication, then reciprocal, 4 upon 49, so equal to B. Okay, cancel we have to do. 7 sevens are 7, 20 eights are 7 ones are and 7 fours are. Okay, now 4 fours are 16 upon 3 equal to B. Therefore, B equal to, convert this into mixed fraction. So 5 3s is 15. Okay, 15 plus 1 is 16 meter. So what we have to write? Width of rectangular plot is 5 1 upon 3 meter. Okay, now we'll see question number 7. See the question number 7. By what number should 6 2 upon 9 be multiplied to get 4 4 upon 9? By what number should? That number we will suppose that x, and we have to multiply x into 6 2 upon 9 equal to 4 4 upon 9, because here we had written to get, so equal to. So first of all we'll write question number 7. Let the number be x. Okay, let the number be x. The x into 6 2 upon 9 equal to 4 4 upon 9. Okay, now this mixed fraction convert into improper. So x multiply by 6, 9 is 54, 54 plus 2 is 56 upon 9. So equal to 9 4s is 36, 36 plus 4 is 40 upon 9. Now this is in multiplication, so it will go over here, so it will become division 56 upon 9. Therefore x equal to 40 upon 9 multiplied by 9 upon 56. Okay, so 9 cancel, and 8 7s are 56 and 8 5s are 40. So answer, therefore x equal to 5 upon 7. Okay, so the number be 5 upon 7. Let us see question number 8. The product of two numbers is 25 1 upon 6 if one of the number is 6 2 upon 3. Find the other number. Now we have the product which is equal to 25 upon 6, right? We have to find other number. One number we had given which is 6 into 6 2 upon 3. Okay, same as question number 7. Question number 8. Let the number be x. One number is x. So first number we had given which is 6 2 upon 3 multiplied by x. Second number we had supposed which is x, and product is 25 5 upon 6. Okay, now we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper. So 6 3 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20 upon 3 multiplied by x. 25 into 6 is 150, 150 plus 5 is 155 upon 6. Okay, now therefore x equal to 155 upon 6. This is in multiplication, so it will comes over in division form. Therefore x equal to 155 upon 6 multiplied by 3 upon 20. Again reciprocal, so 3 1s are 3 2s are cancellation, then 5 4s are 5 3s are 15 and 5 1s are. So equal to 31 upon 4 2s are 8. Therefore x equal to 31 upon 8. So x equal to, convert this in mixed fraction. So 3 7 upon 8. Okay. The second number is 3 7 upon 8. Now just see the question number 9. Question number 9, in that what we had given, the cost of 6 1 upon 4 kg of apple is rupees 400. Cost of 6 1 upon 4 kg apple is 400. At what rate per kg are the apple being sold? Now for 6 1 upon 4 kg apple we get rupees 400. For 1 kg we have to find. Just see question number 9. Here it is cost, and first we will write kgs, okay, and cost. Now for 6 1 upon 4 kg, how many rupees is of apple? 400, and we have to find for 1 kg. Simple, okay. Here it is cross multiplication. Now equal to, what we have to write, 1 into 400 first, okay, divided by this, we have to divide 6 1 upon 4, okay. 1 into 400 is 400. This we have to multiply, so this we have to convert this into improper. So division as it is, 6 4s are is 24, and 24 plus 1 is 25 upon 4. Now 400 nothing in denominator, so 1 multiply by 4 upon 25. Okay, now we'll do cancellation. So 5 25 1s are, and 25 16s are. Okay, so answer is 16 into 4 is 64. So for 1 kg, for 1 kg apple cost, for 1 kg apples cost is rupees 64. Here rupees, okay. Cost of 1 kg apple is rupees 64 is your answer. Now we'll see question number 10. See the question number 10. By selling oranges at the rate of rupees 5 1 upon 4 per orange. Now for 1 orange, rupees is 5 1 upon 4. A fruit seller get rupees 600. Total rupees he have, means total rupees, the amount of sale is of rupees 630. How many dozen of orange does he sell? Now here we have to find total rupees we have. We also have for 1 oranges, it is this much. We have to find how many dozen the fruit seller sell. Just see cost we will write. For 1 orange it is rupees 5 1 upon 4. How many oranges he? For 1 orange rupees 5 1 4. So total rupees we have, which is 630. Okay, 630 we have. How many oranges the fruit seller sell? Again cross multiplication. So 6 630 into 1 divided by 5 1 upon 4. So 630 divided by, convert into improper, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 upon 4. Again 630 in denominator, nothing is there, is 1. Then multiplication, reciprocal is 4 upon 21. So equal to, cancellation as we can do or not, 21 ones are and 21 30s are. So 30 into 4 is 120 oranges. Here. Okay. Now we have to find how many dozens. Now here we for 12 oranges equal to 1 dozen, right? So for 120 oranges equal to how many dozen? Same cross multiplication. So equal to 120 multiplied by 1 upon 12. Here division, right? Here we are writing, I am written directly over here. So 12 ones are 12, 10s are. So 10 dozen. Your answer is, the fruit sellers sell 10 dozen fruits. Now 10 dozen oranges. Now 11th one. See the 11th one. A midday meal scheme, 3 upon 10 liter of milk is given to each student of primary school. Now for the one student, they are giving milk 3 upon 10 liter. Okay. Now if 30 liter of milk is distributed every day in the school. Now 30 liter every day they are sending in the school. How many students are there in the school? Now total number of students we have to find. See, same as 10th one only. Here it is students and here it is oranges. Just see question number 11. For, I will write here milk and what another is students, right? For 1 liter, here it is for one student 3 upon 10 liter they are giving. So for total number of 30 students, no, total liters you had given, so 30 liter they are given. How many students are there we have to find. Okay, so again cross multiplication, equal to 30 into 1 divided by 3 upon 10. 30 into 1 is 30 divided by 3 upon 10. So equal to 30 multiplied by 10 upon 3. Here also 1. 3 ones are 3 tens are. So 10 into 10 is 100 liter. Now see question number 12. In a charity show, rupees 6496 were collected by selling some tickets. So total tickets they sell of rupees 6496. Okay, if the price of each ticket was rupees 53 upon 4, how many tickets were sold? Now see here, it here same 10th, 11th and 12th, these three are same. Here you had given that total rupees they collected, which is rupees 6496. For one ticket rupees is 53 upon 3. So we have to find that how many tickets they sold. Just see what we have to write first here, money, okay, and here tickets. Now for rupees 53 upon 4, they are selling one ticket. So total rupees we have 6496. So how many tickets they sold? So again cross multiplication. So what we can write? 6496 multiplied by 1 divided by 53 upon 4. Okay, so 6496, because it multiply, divided by, convert this into improper fraction. 50 into 4 is 200 plus 3 is 203 upon 4. Here nothing means 1. So 6496 upon 1 multiplied by 4 upon 203. 203 1 za and 203 32 za equal to 6496. So equal to 32 into 4 is 128 tickets. Okay, so for rupees 6496 they had sold 128 tickets. Okay, understood? Thank you for watching this video.